This is Wiley from Learn to Barbecue. Today we're tackling something exciting, assembling and firing up the Asmoke Essential pellet grill for the very first time. We've got it here on the Oklahoma Joe's XL prep cart ready to go. Stick with me as we unbox, assemble, and then break in this beauty with a delicious first cook. Let's get started. All right, here it is. The Asmoke Essential pellet grill, fresh out of the box. I have to say this thing was extremely well packed. Unboxing was a breeze. Everything was secure and easy to access. And check this out. Open the lid and you can see, not an inch of space wasted. Everything's packed in here perfectly, ready for assembly. Smart design. Now that we've got all the parts laid out, it's time to build. We'll begin with the flame broiler pan. This is what helps create that delicious direct flame grilling, so getting it in correctly is important. Next up, the feet. And I have to say, even for a smaller grill, these feet are extremely sturdy. They're going to provide a really solid base for the Asmoke. Let's get them attached. All right, time to flip this over and attach the holders for the ash pan and the water pan. These are essential for easy cleanup and maintaining moisture during the cook. Okay, let's get this Asmoke upright and attach the pellet hopper. This hopper holds a good 5 pounds of pellets, which means longer, uninterrupted cooks. Now, let's add this very unique handle. It's not only attractive, but also extremely functional. A great design touch. All right, we're almost there. Grill grates and battery are in, and we're just about ready to fire this baby up. All right, we're ready for the burn-in. First, let's fill the hopper with pellets. Now we'll run the grill for 30 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, followed by 15 minutes at 500 degrees. This will burn off any impurities from manufacturing and get the Asmoke seasoned and ready for cooking. All right, with the burn-in complete, it's time for our first cook. Today we're going with some juicy and flavorful chicken thighs. Let's get them prepped. All right, let's get our cooking surface ready. We've got a half pan with a grill grate, and we're going to give both a good spray with cooking oil to prevent sticking. Now the star of the show, the chicken thighs. We're placing them skin side up on the grill grate. That's how we'll get that nice crispy skin. All right, let's talk seasoning. We're using the Pit Boss poultry rub today, and this stuff is fantastic. Just look at the ingredients: salt, sugar, garlic, onion, and lemon juice. It's got everything you need for perfectly seasoned chicken. In my opinion, it's one of the best poultry rubs out there. With our chicken beautifully seasoned, it's time to hit the preheated grill. 375 degrees Fahrenheit is the magic number. To make sure these thighs are cooked safely and thoroughly, we're setting our meat probe to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. But we will cook them to 175, for thighs can take the higher heat. One of the things I love about this Asmoke is its intelligent display. It gives you all the essential information: grill temp, meat temp, and even calculates the estimated remaining cook time based on the meat probe's reading. This takes the guesswork out of grilling. And there you have it, perfectly cooked chicken thighs. 1 hour at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and they're golden brown and cooked through. Just look at that even cooking and crispy skin. It might look good, but how does it taste? Perfect. Look at that. Cooked all the way through, juicy, and looks fantastic. Now let's break this down. You can see how crisp that skin is. It cuts like butter. All right, let's break this down into bite-sized pieces and get ready to enjoy this delicious chicken. That's what I'm talking about. The chicken is juicy and flavorful, and the skin has that incredible crunch. The combination of textures and flavors is just perfect. Thumbs up! That's a definite winner. This chicken is fantastic, and the Asmoke did a great job cooking it. So, there you have it. Delicious chicken, perfectly cooked on the Asmoke Essential. This grill is a fantastic option. especially because it's battery-powered and easy to transport. Perfect for tailgating, camping, or if you just have limited space on your patio. I hope this video was informative and helped you learn more about the world of barbecue. Be sure to check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I'd also love to hear your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Till next time.